Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix sign in with your Microsoft account on Xbox. Sign in button is not working. So what you need to do here and what I did to basically solve this problem, you need to go to OneDrive, right click on it, then you need to go to a gear icon here, settings, then account, and unlink that particular account. Once you do so, as you can see here, OneDrive should not work, and then sign in button should be working. In this case, it's not working. So what we need to do here next is to go to services and then look for Xbox here. Xbox, as you can see, network service. So restart. And after you do so, sign in should be working. If it's not working, then we need to do next. Go and search, open up PowerShell, make sure to open as admin, and then you need to just put a few codes. So the first one is this. All the codes will be in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it, and then put another code here. This window will pop up, then press install, wait for a couple of seconds and until installation process here is done. After game services is installed, we just need to update now. Then we need to wait until update is done. And now as you can see here, my account, I just sign into my account and I don't need to do nothing. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.